Hello everyone, Guilherme is here. So in today's video, I want to show you the order by statement in SQL Server. So basically, order by statement used to order using a keyword order by inside of the SQL Server, and you are able to order some column or some columns by descending or ascending way. So if you're not subscribed already to our channel, so please just hit the like button and subscribe for you receive more and more videos about data, SQL Server, and so on. So we already have our table sales. Let's show all of this data, and I want to only order by my stable by value. I want to order by value, and now I need to put this brackets here. I want to order by descending, but it's not descending, it's desk keyword. So check our table was updated, our visualization were updated, ordering our visualization by the highest to lowest value by the column value. We can do it with just another column. If I search IT, it's going to merge the ways of order our data. It's not very good, but now I want to order only using IG. He has updated for us, or we can use the customer name too. Descending way, we can interpret if you are using numbers or strings. So we can change to ascending keyword to lowest to highest value, customer name or value, and so on. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.